Okay. So when I was explaining to you that the deep sleep state is the bigger state in which there is a smaller dream state and in which there is a smaller waking state. What did I mean? I am counting the wrong things as waking state. I am counting time as waking state. Atmananda says that is okay if you stand as the body, mind and senses. Then the waking state you are counting as time, because your understanding of time is the distance between two thoughts. Your understanding of space is the distance between two perceptions. Yeah? But when I have changed my stand from the body, mind, senses, I've taken the stand as the awareness. Now I see that in this awareness only thoughts arise and fall. They are nothing but arisings. One thought arises, it falls. If you're sitting quietly in the house, sometimes you notice there is a long interval and then a next thought arises and falls. Yeah. So from Atmananda's perspective, when you have taken the stand as the awareness, your waking state is only this wave, and then it's gone. Then another wave, and then it's gone. And then another wave, and then it's gone. Waking state is not calculated in the number of hours that you calculate when you're in the stand as the body, mind, ego. Yes, because when you are in awareness, there is no time. Why is there no time? Understand this basic thing. Why is there no time in deep sleep state? Calculate and tell me last night, how long were you in deep sleep state? I don't know. I was on the bed 8 hours. I don't know how many hours I dreamt and how many hours I was in deep sleep state. Why can't you give me that? Because you measure time as the distance between two thoughts. You measure space as the distance between two perceptions. The perception of this body here and that computer 1-2 meters away. This perception is closer than that perception. The distance between these two perceptions is what I think is space. And depending on this kind of logic, I have developed an assumption, a manyata, a conditioning that I experience a world of matter. It's a 3D world. But it is my own creation. I have assumed that the distance between two perceptions is space. Space is an assumption. The distance between two thoughts is time. This exists only when I've taken the stand again as the body, mind, senses, ego. This is also an assumption. Is this very clear? Yeah?
Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, so if this part is very clear, now you will understand this. Now these are all of us, all 73 of us. Are you getting it? All of us having the deep sleep state, inside that is the dreaming state, inside that is the waking state. It is the collective unconscious. We are in the deep sleep state. Yeah, we are all floating in the ocean of awareness. The blue background, the blue pink background behind is the ocean of awareness. Yeah, or the ocean of consciousness, the ocean of Brahman. The word does not matter, okay? Atma, it is all one. There is no individual Atma. These are not individual Atmas again. Wrong understanding. This is nothing but body-mind complex. Remember in Advaita level 2, I explained that each of our body-mind complex is nothing but a peephole through which consciousness is experiencing the same creation. This is a depiction of that. Super clear?
Thank you.